welcome to a brand new video. Today we are going to be talking about, we're still continuing the HTML course, and we're going to be covering up divs and sections, what a div is, what a section is, and I think also we're going to be covering up articles. Okay, so a div is basically a division which you can add this, the tag is div, so we cover the div element has no special meaning at all. It represents its children. It can be used with the class, which we're going to be talking about later, language, and title, attributes, go back, attributes to mark up the semantics common to a group of consecutive elements. I know you can read, I just did this for you, sorry. So yeah, basically a div is just, it doesn't have any meaning. It's just an element that will be able to hold pieces of content for you. Let's just say we want a div to hold up all our links. I'm gonna add a div. Let's just say like UL to add a list, li. Just do this quickly. Let's say oh my god. Alright, we're gonna have an anchor element that goes to nowhere, and let's just say hello, and duplicate this a little bit, alt shift and hit down, duplicate this a little bit, and then we also gonna have like a heading that says the name of the website, and yeah, let's add like a button, let's call it sign up. You can do anything with divs. It's just like a little box. Just imagine it as a box that holds pieces of content that you want. So let's hit save and look at our website. So yeah, as you can see, it's just like normal. It's not like I've added anything, but I did add something. Okay, so yeah, this div wraps up our heading over here, our list of links over here, and our button. And we can have another div where we're gonna have like paragraphs like this. Say a lorem to generate this paragraph, and then we're gonna have like an h2 that says something, and then just basically you get the point. So now if I want to style this or just move these two items, I don't want to touch this. So you're working with divs a lot when you are styling them with CSS. So that's why you add divs to this, so you can work on each one, you know, separately. I probably want to add to these elements over here, these HTML elements over here, I want to add a background color of blue, but over here I want to add a background color of like red. So I'm gonna say that the background color of a div is gonna be yellow or red or whatever I want, and then the other one I can style it differently and do whatever I want. Even if I want to animate this, I can animate it, and if I want this to like just be there, I can, you know, do whatever I want. Basically separates pieces of content one from another. Let's move on to sections. Let's see what are they saying. So okay, let's hover over here. The section elements represents a generic section of a document or application. A section in this context is a thematic grouping of content. So a section is basically the same thing as a div. It's just sometimes when you're working with multiple developers, you can use a section for something specific. And let's say like you have a blog. You're gonna have, you know, your daily updates as sections. So you're just gonna have something like this, h2, and you're gonna say my daily updates, and you're gonna have a paragraph over here. So you're gonna use sections for a special type of content. So it actually does the same thing as a div, but it's just you know, nice to organize and make things. Because if you have all divs and then you give it to like someone to style your websites, he's not gonna know which ones are sections, which ones are articles. You know, you can also have articles over here, and this can basically be like paragraphs or photos, something like this. So it's just nice to organize your websites and have each thing separately, so it's not all divs and it gets all you know, messy and confusing. So yeah, it's nice to know these things. And when I'm gonna make a video where I'm creating a website from scratch, I'm gonna show you how to, you know, to design and then take that design and make it into a real website. You're gonna, you know, understand really well where you're using divs and where you're using sections and articles. Right now it's a bit messy and blurry and, you know, just out there in the air, but you're gonna definitely understand this a bit more when you get your hands dirty and start working on you know, a real website. Now it's just, you know, it's like, what is this? So yeah, we're gonna be putting all these things that we saw on this video and previous videos, and we're gonna be putting them in a real life website. And yeah, we're gonna also be working with Figma over here. I'm gonna, you know, make tutorials on how to work with this, and it's really cool to design and get you started, make your layouts, and then, you know, go from there to making a website. So by the end of this, you're gonna be able to make websites, trust me. So this is just a short one that I want you to know. Next time I'm going to be covering up how to add images and videos to your website, so don't miss out on that one. It's really important. Every website nowadays has images, some have videos, some don't, but yeah, I think every website has images. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and tune in for the next video. It's going to be really important. Till then, see you next time.